Hi guys, welcome back to the Coal Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a continuation from the first video, which was a curly girl wash day routine to add moisture into your hair. And I ended off the video telling you guys that it's important to also add some protein. So now I'm going to go through and explain to you how you can add protein into your wash day routine. I'm filming a video directly after this one, and I'm going to show you in that video how to switch up your wash day routine. So for today's video, I'm going to be following and using the exact same products that I did from the moisturizing video. So watch that one first. So I'm going to be using almost the exact same products, and I'm going to throw in a protein treatment. So I'll start off washing my hair using the Aunt Jackie's. This is the Flaxseed Recipes Purify Me Frizz Fighting Moisturizing CoWash Cleanser. You guys know I do like to use this during the colder months. You'll see as I'm inserting how I wash my hair, focusing on the scalp, lifting the dirt, making sure that, you know, whatever buildup I have from that week is actually getting removed. After that, I like to, and I always do it very gently, using the tips of my fingers, okay? Not your nails, your nail beds. I mean, growing up, we used to scratch when we washed our hair. Now we're a little bit older, we're using the tips and we're basically massaging and lifting the dirt. That's how you actually wash your hair. Rinsed it out. My hair feels soft during the winter time. As I said, I do like to use this during the winter time. When I want to add protein into my wash day routine, and I usually do it once a month, which means the first video, which is adding moisture into your wash day routine, I will do that for 3 weeks. And on the 4th week, I will then throw in a protein treatment. I never skip my wash days, no matter the season. I know it's cold and a lot of people feel like pushing their wash day to 10 days to 14 days. Me personally, my scalp is my skin. I don't go a day without washing my face, so I'm not going to go more than a week without washing the skin on my head. It's just me personally. So for protein, I'm then replacing the Manuka honey one with this one from Shea Moisture. It's the Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore treatment mask with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I really like this stuff. For me, it strengthens my hair and it also doesn't leave my hair too dry. Personal preference. So if I'm choosing a protein treatment or something to strengthen my hair, this is my go-to. I can apply it in larger sections. I leave it on my head for about an hour, 30 minutes to an hour. I rinse it off. My hair feels nice and strong. My curls are popping. This is something that I would reach for to add some protein into my hair care wash day routine. I'm sticking to the exact same wash day routine, so I will do an apple cider vinegar as well. I will mix this with some water and I'll then just pour it all over my head, give my scalp a bit of a massage. This does actually keep my hair soft. Personal preference. If this isn't working for you, you can just not use this at all in your wash day routine. But during the winter time, my hair loves this. I'm loving this. It's going to be used a lot during the winter season. In fact, back into my hair care routine. And then styling will be exactly the same. I'll go in, I'm using the exact same leave-in conditioner. This is a local South African brand or company called Ruthies Hair Care. It's their leave-in conditioner. I can't find a picture to insert on the internet, on their Instagram, so there isn't a picture inserted in the previous video and this video as well, but you can go to their Facebook page. Feel free to go to their Instagram as well, and you can order directly from them. I applied this in sections all over my hair. You guys already know the pump doesn't do very well for me. My hands are wet. I'm now trying to pump out. I've got a lot of hair. But anyway, I do apply this all over my hair as my leave-in. And then I'll end it off again with the smoothie from Shea Moisture. This is their curl enhancing smoothie. I didn't say this in the first video. I put it in the description, but I'll say it in this video as well. For me, I don't use this as a styler. So if anyone is using this as a styler, that's cool. But for me, it's thick, it's creamy, it adds moisture to my hair. I like to use it in that type of way. I know a lot of people will apply this when styling and then a gel over. That's absolutely fine. So I apply this and then twist my hair exactly the same. So the difference between the first video and this video is just adding protein, and I do that during the deep conditioning phase of my wash day routine. I kept all the products exactly the same just so you guys can literally see how I would add in the protein using exactly the same products for every other step. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the products are Curly Girl approved. I'm catering for that audience as well, but those of you who are not following the method can use it as well. Why not? Drop your comments down below. Let me know if this video helped you in trying to understand how to add protein into your hair. It is winter time. Don't forget to add strength into your wash day routine. For me, once a month is fine. You might need to do it twice a month. It's all up to you and what your hair needs. As always, guys, I will see you again. Take care.